Imagine the Earth suddenly collapsing beneath your feet. No warning, no escape. Just a massive opening straight into the glowing heart of our planet. As the ground splits apart, unimaginable heat rises from below, revealing Earth's core blazing with intense energy. Light floods the sky as if the planet itself has peeled open. Beneath us lies a hidden world hotter than the sun's surface, powerful enough to shape continents and fuel Earth's magnetic field. It's terrifying, yet awe-inspiring, a reminder that beneath our everyday lives, Earth holds unimaginable power.